got to continuously watch this rainfall forecast over the next 72 to 120 hours. And unfortunately for Texas citizens, this is going to be a devastating, long, and frustrating event.
Here in Houston, the problem is flooding. This walkway, which is normally used by runners to run through the downtown area, is completely submerged in water.